Hello, I'm here to do my unboxing video for Go North Hemp and B-Bubs and 710 Healy. And, well, it's just kind of, I'm just hoping that the Farm Bill gets extended or something. I hope this doesn't stop because this really helped me. Anyway, I'm going to open this up. Oh wait, I'm not getting my hand away from that end. Alright, so let's see here. Well, got the regular paperwork as usual. Sour guava pie. Oh, that's black ice big, looking delicious. Let's see what else is here. We got NYC sour diesel, looking good. Well, I hope this is the last time I get to order from you guys. I hope I get to keep doing this because this was a lifesaver for my family, honestly. So I hope something changes. It's kind of crazy that out of all the things in the world that hurt, that actually do hurt people, they want to make laws against this, which doesn't hurt anybody. But screwed up world we're in. All right. Well, thank you. And I'm sorry this video isn't 5 minutes, but
some of them are a little better than others, but they're all dry, stemmy, and they smell like grass.
I'm about to open my first package with 20 plus in it and check and see what's inside. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Isn't that what you wanted? Aren't you scared? Boo-hoo! Boo-hoo? You expected to cry? No, Mr. Bob. I expect you to fry. Pretend over. It's here. Too long have I suffered, living between you two ninnies.
Yeah. 7, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 22.